Hi, I'm Miss Kovacs. Welcome to Algebra 1 this year. I wanted to go over some quick expectations and just things to expect from this year since it's a crazy year. I will be going over all of this in class though as well. So the first thing, just some basic guidelines for class. Just always be kind, be true to your school, be open to new and different things, have a growth mindset, have LNIP rigor, and own your learning. So, pretty much just you never know what anybody is going through. So, just always be kind to everybody and just always be willing to try harder problems, grow and get better. Like, I don't expect you to be perfect, but I always expect you to be trying your hardest and learning. Materials, you should always come to class now with your charged Chromebook because we will be using it every day. We are trying to go paperless, so I would like you to get a notebook and possibly I would suggest, but not required, a notebook with graph paper because we will be graphing this year. And since we can't really give out paper because we don't want to have like COVID-19 everything, so just if you have a notebook with graph paper, that would be fantastic. A calculator is not required because you may use Desmos on your Chromebook to use your calculator. However, you can also have your own calculator. Our textbook is going to be online, so there are instructions here of how to get there. This year, we're going to learn about properties of numbers, relations and functions, equations and inequalities, absolute value, equations, exponents, exponential growth and decay, and polynomials. It's going to be a very fun year. I'm excited. With regards to extra help, obviously it's hard because I know a lot of people get extra help during lunch. However, I will always be available from 12 to 2:30 if you need to set up any extra help. Just email me. This year, communication is key to being successful. So email me if you need to set up any extra help. I will be very flexible. We can meet through Google Meet, anything. Just let me know. Our virtual expectations is that you should attend all Google Meet meetings. So every day, clearly we will have cohort A or B in school, but the other cohort and all the virtual students will be at home. So we will have Google Meet meetings every single day, and you should come in, join them. We will be taking attendance of them. I might do different things for attendance every day. So of course, I will let you know each day what you should do. Complete all work on time. Let me know if there's a case where you cannot complete your work on time. And as far as virtual platforms, we will be using Edpuzzle, Seesaw, and GoFormative. So I'm going to go through those right now as well. So for Algebra 1, I wanted to show you that at the top of your Google Classroom will be a link to my Google site. So if you click on that, it brings you to my Google site. So there's a button here where you can click to email me and it'll open up and send it right to my email. Or you can just click contact me and my email will be right there. So of course, everything I have will be on Google Classroom, but it will also all be on this website as well so that everything's like together in one. So all these buttons are clickable. So like if you click on the district website, you can get student Genesis access, Genesis parent access. Your schedule is this button right here. And then the district website is here. You may click on Algebra 1. And if you click here, it's your expectations. I will probably include this video as well. Your technology info, so for our Google Classroom code and your remind codes for each class. And I will upload video lessons and our weekly assignments each week, so you can access them here as well. So now I wanted to talk about GoFormative. So this is where like our quizzes might be or will be. So it'll have like the test and then a column for you to show your work. So right here, you can add images. So if you do the work on a separate piece of paper, you can take a picture of it and upload it here. Or you could write out, if I click on the pen, you could write out your work like this, or you could type it out and be like 6x plus 2. So that's like lots of ways for you to show your work. And we are going to use Edpuzzle, but the link to Edpuzzles will be in your Google Classroom, so you can just click on it and go watch it. We are also also on here you have distance learning resources. So all of these are here with links to the websites that you would need to go to, and tutorials will take you to YouTube videos of how how to like work the website. So Edpuzzle will be where your videos are, and I will upload them there so that I can see who watched them. If you go to a different browser screen, it'll pause your video. I'll have questions embedded that you can answer. So, anyway, I'm very excited for this year. I can't wait to meet everyone. And